Hello guys, a very important video for all of you. Please make sure that you watch this video till the end, and please do comment down with respect to your learnings right from this video. From past 3 years I've been using this writing pad for teaching students. Okay, now this writing pad was actually given by Sudhanshu, and it actually, like, I was able to write very nicely, see the materials that I've actually created with the help of this writing pad, right? It is quite amazing. It is from XP Pen. Right now this model is not available, but you can see that it is completely tearing and wearing off, right? So just imagine then how much I have written in this writing pad. Now, and if I probably show you this writing pen itself, you can see that the tip has also gone, right? Completely. Yeah, the tip has definitely gone. Now the thing is that I am also planning, like I've already bought the next writing pad over here, and this is far more better than this one which I actually have, right? And probably in some days, just like today, I'm planning to change this writing pad to this. But the only thing, right, I am in love with this writing pad because the kind of notes I was able to prepare was quite amazing. Okay, it was quite beautiful, right? Now, here is the important learning thing for you all, right? Now, I know this is something based on old technology, right? So if I probably consider 1.5 year, 2 years back, 3 years back, right, we have bought this, and now we also have a better version of that. Now, even though I know that probably in order to use the new writing pad, I need to practice a bit, but I'll have a lot of features over there. But the love for the older things I do definitely have. So similarly in our life, guys, there will be many people when they are switching to new technology and all, right. Initially, they will think that okay, it'll be quite difficult, uh, but trust me, with respect to practice, with respect to the changes that we see in our life, right? See, there are many people when there are frequent changes, right, with respect to technology or anything, right, they hesitate to do that very quickly. Okay, now in my case, I'm definitely going to use the new writing pad, but I also have a love for this older writing pad. I know it'll probably take some time for getting adjusted, for practicing, for writing, but at one point of time I love it and I start using it. Okay, but still there is that feeling, right? I'm moving from this to that. I may face some challenges, and because of that I'm not moving. I'm taking more time, right? So like this, everybody will have this kind of situation in your life with respect to learning new things, with respect to changing your technology, with respect to getting updated with the trends that are happening. You continuously need to work over there, right? I know whatever things we used to do before, and people who are doing it before, right, they love it. But this generation demands new things, and you have to be updated with respect to that, right? So I hope you got the most important learning thing out of this video. This is just a kind of video to make you understand something very important. Okay, so yes, this was it for my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.